How to disable Firefox automatic updates. Disabling automatic updates in Firefox can help maintain stability in environments where updates could disrupt workflows or compatibility. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to disable Firefox automatic updates. The first step is launch the Firefox browser on your computer. Now click on the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select Settings. On the Settings panel, click on General if it is not yet selected or already selected. Now scroll down to the Firefox Update section. Now on this section you have to click on Check for updates but let you choose to install them. Once you have selected, click on Continue button and then close the Settings panel in order to make changes on Firefox. In this way, you can easily disable Firefox automatic updates. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, share and comment. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.